What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WIDEBODY Nation. Cars.com, Kelly Blue Book, Edmunds.com. They can all calculate your monthly payment for you on whatever car you're looking to get. But if you go to RealWideBodyNation.com, I have this spreadsheet available to you to input the car price, dealer incentives, manufacturer incentives, trade-in value, doc fee, everything, warranty products, down payment. It's all here for free, and it will give you a entire representation of 0% financing charges to 8%. It will give you 2 years financing all the way to 7 years, 24 months to 84. It will give you the amount of interest you pay over the life of the loan should you fulfill the entirety of that loan. All of this is available to you at realwidebodynation.com. Or if you just simply want to click the link below in the pinned comment, realwidebodynation.com, I have the spreadsheet linked directly. Should you choose to embark on this endeavor to dive into this spreadsheet, which I have birthed out of my brain into the internet, this is where you're gonna land. WideBodyNation.com. The landing page is the monthly payment calculator because I'm trying to provide the most value to you guys. Either click the image, which is hyperlinked to Google Sheets, or the hyperlink down below. Either way, to each their own. It will pull up the generic preview of what is going on in this spreadsheet right here. Now, this spreadsheet is available to everyone and their mom. So, with that being said, you may see it, for instance, the last user, $51,599 for the MSRP of their car. They wanted a hefty down payment. So you could just jump right in there, open it with Google Sheets or whatever you prefer, and jump in and start saucing it up. Toss in your desired MSRP for whatever build you're doing, whether it's a Corvette, whether it's a Charger, whether it's a Toyota. I don't care. This is available to you. Now, you might be saying, wait a second, WideBody Nation, I can edit this thing? Can he edit this thing? Can she edit this thing? Yes. Yes, you can. I've even been on here when you guys are editing it, With that being said, sometimes the formulas get messed up, yes. But that's why I go in here every day and reset it. I have the master. I am in control. This is the parent document. I simply go in and redo the formulas so that everybody can use a spreadsheet. They can say, hey, WideBody Nation, do I want a 60-month payment at 2%? Or a 72-month payment at 3%? Or the bank's telling me I can get this weird payment of $343 a month at 7 years, 84 months, but I don't think that's necessarily a good idea. So, with that being said, let's jump real quick into the spreadsheet just so you guys know what you're looking at, because there's a lot of numbers on here. There's a lot of cells. There's, a lot of launch codes in here. Please don't mess with the formulas, but if you do, I'm just going to fix it. So if you just want to give traffic to my website by messing up the formulas, go right ahead. I'm just going to reset it. Please and thank you. Now, for those of you who actually want to better yourselves and do some good analysis here, props to you for researching before you buy your car. Top part, pretty self-explanatory. You have the years of your loan, and I also converted it to months, partially because the formulas like to use months, not years. You get your interest rates up top. Now, I didn't oversimplify it because a 0% interest rate for 36 months is different than a 0% interest rate for 84 months. There's different value there, right? So that's why I color-coded it, generally speaking. Now, if you're getting triggered, just jump in the comments below and type your way into a good argument with me, because you're saying, why you have yellow 3% at 48 months? It's rough guidance, okay? You make your own decision. I'm just trying to provide you the ability to make an informed decision here. So, you've got 0%, you got 8%. Anything above 8%, I would reconsider your car deal. That's just my opinion. Simple formula. It takes into account everything from window sticker, manufacturer incentives. Those are coming from the manufacturer, not the dealership. There's dealer incentives that will give you your vehicle price, MSRP minus manufacturer minus dealer equals vehicle price. Then you jump into your trade-in. Do you have positive equity? Do you have negative equity? What do you have? That will get factored into your total price right here. Your total price will then get manipulated by your taxes, whether it's nothing, whether it's 10%, whether you live in California and you got I think the California tax rate is like 112% right now. Check me on that in the comments, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty high. So you guys can even manipulate that. If you want to put in a 7% tax rate, boom, the numbers change. Boom, that's the beauty of formulas. You can put in warranty products. Say you want a long warranty so you can just do burnouts for days like I'm going to do with my 2021 Dodge Charger wide body red eye Hellcat. Sorry, I make a lot of videos on SCAT packs. I apologize. Doc fee. I put in a doc. Hey, but you guys can change all these numbers. Okay, that's the beauty of the spreadsheet. I gave you editing rights. Out the door price. You can mess with down payment. I personally would never put a $30,000 down payment on the car. I would prefer the bank to pay it off with gap insurance if some yahoo crashes my car. But that's just me, you know. So I'll, $5,000 down payment, whatever, 10%. And then boom, you got your monthly payments up here, color coded by my rough opinion of good interest rates for good terms. Rough opinion. That's basically based off of, my preferred lenders, Penn Fed, Navy Fed, Chrysler Capital, Chevy, Chevy Financial, all the, GM Financial, all the good stuff, right? And then the added portion, which is even more helpful for your analysis, is this interest paid section. So let's say you were considering doing, maybe you're considering, okay, should I do 60 months for 2% or 72 months for 3% or 84 months for 4%? Well, you can see how much interest you're paying over the life of the loan, and maybe that will factor into your decision. Or maybe your interest rate is in kind of the red zone, and you can really have it hammered home, have a learning experience on how much interest you're really going to be paying on this vehicle that is probably depreciating depending on what vehicle you pick. With that being said, this is pretty much the spreadsheet here, folks. I mean, you could go to Edmunds.com. You could go to Google. I mean, even Google has car payment calculator. You type in car payment calculator to Google, but it's not going to give you all the data and all of the inputs that I offer you, and it's for free. So it's a win-win. If my payment calculator sucks, let me know in the comments. If it's jacked up, the formulas suck, it's giving you stupid numbers, let me know in the comments. Hit me up at Real WideBody Nation on Instagram. Say, hey, your calculator sucks, WideBody Nation. It's broken. I will fix it for you because I have the master, like I said. With that being said, let's go back to WideBody Nation. We're going to wrap the video up. Our social media links are on here. You got Facebook, obviously YouTube, Patreon. That'll be coming into the game pretty soon. Instagram, check us out on Instagram. If you guys want to contact me for my opinion on your car deals, market, or if you just want to chat it up, Instagram is the quickest way to bend my ear. Speaking of bending my ear, we are still doing our Apple AirPods Pro giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. Simply subscribe to enter to win these Apple AirPods Pro, a $250 value, given away on a live stream at 5,000. That being said, we got Twitter, Teespring, and Wealthy Affiliate. If you guys are looking for some actual monetary value, you can click on the value tab or the pinned comment down below in this video. Webull is doing 4 free stocks when you sign up and fund your account with $100. I really enjoy Webull. I've been trading GameStop recently. Obviously, GameStop is hot. And then there's also $30 waiting for you on M1 Finance right here. They do $30 for you when you guys sign up and fund your account with $100 to go ahead and start trading stocks. They allow you to trade ETFs and a lot of other wider variety stocks. If you want to get into perhaps the marijuana ETFs, anything like that, they allow you to trade that as well, unlike a lot of other apps. So that being said, appreciate you guys tuning in. Go ahead, check out the monthly payment calculator if you guys want to, do your own thing. It looks like there is someone in here. Anonymous is in here editing, so that is cool. Hopefully they get what they need out of here, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Stay safe out there, and I will see you for the next video.